everyone, welcome to my channel again. It's me, Timbat. So today I will be showing you guys ways that you could tie your scarf. 5 ways, different ways in which you can tie your scarf to make it look nice, fancy, and you know what? It could also go along with an English wear. Do not go nowhere, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're already my ride or die, I love you guys. Thank you so much. And if you guys are not aware, I do have a channel where I talk about health information. You can always subscribe to my channel there, and I talk mostly about health and immigration on that channel. So you can go up there and subscribe to that channel. It's called Timbat's Wellness. Okay, let's get started.
So today I'll be tying my scarf and tying my head to the back. And right now I had folded the scarf and I'm just tying it to the right side of my face. I will make the scarf into a little circle, as you can see right now, like turn it into like a little bun. And then I tuck the part of the scarf that's left to the front of the scarf. I tuck it in, and I would do the same also to the other side. So whatever part of the scarf is left out or tucked in, and as you can see, this is the first look for this. And the second part of the look is letting my hair down and just rocking the scarf. So here I'm just tying the scarf. Trying to make a donut with it, like a little bun to the front. And I continue to churn it around till I get enough bun. After I complete the bun, I tuck the left part, the little part of the scarf that's left, I tuck it into the front so that way I could hide any dangling part of the scarf. So I tuck everything in to make sure that the bun looks good. And that's the look for it. So this part here, I'm touching the scarf from the back and I crisscross the scarf. After crisscrossing, I then twist it around and twist it about 3 times and move upwards and try to make a bun with it. So after making a bun with it, you can leave the scarf looking like this, like just leaving it dangled and just using a plastic band to just secure it. Or you could go a step further and tie the 2 ends of the scarf that's left to the back. This is what the look of the scarf would look like. So to achieve this look, you will need to tie your scarf into a knot, and after doing that, you'll put that to the center of your head, and you will tie the scarf to the back of your head. And you could actually part some of your hair and pack your hair upwards. You could do it that way, Or another way you could leave this hairstyle is you let your hair dangle down. So this is what the dangle look would look like. So right now I have the head wrap from the back of my head, and I'm tying it to the front. And what I'm basically doing right now is tying another knot and trying to make a bow out of it. So I'm trying to get one side of it a little puffy and the other side puffy. So I am trying to achieve a bow look at the front. So here I'm just tucking in anything that would not make the scarf look like a bow, anything sticking out from the scarf that would prevent me from getting that shape. I'm just tucking everything in so as to mimic a bow-like look. And I am readjusting areas to center my bow so it looks a certain way. So because there's a specific area I want the bow to be at, so I'm just like changing the shape, working in and out to see where the perfect position of the bow could be. So just continue watching. Now I got the bow to how I want it, so this is what the look of the bow with the scarf looks like. So with this part of the scarf, I just tied a knot to the front, and the parts of the scarf that's left, I also tie a knot at the back as well, and then I tuck the rest of the scarf that's left from the back into the sides. So that's what this look looks like. If you guys are enjoying this video, put a thumbs up, leave a comment. So this is the last look, and if you like this look, I'll put a comment down below. This is actually my favorite look because it's more like a band. You're making the scarf into a hairband. You will need to crisscross your scarf, and the scarf hand that's on your right side that's been crisscrossed, tie to the back. You put the tie to the back using an elastic bag to tie your hair and making it look fancy, or you could leave it down. So this is what the look looks like when the hair is tied back.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my content and enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy the content. And leave a comment. Let me know which style you like of the scarf I tied. Comment down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.